What's up guys, it's Dr. Mike. I'm gonna go over a 5-minute core routine that you can use to help facilitate your trunk muscles and challenge your core. We will be working on a total of 5 exercises, 1 minute on each exercise with a 5-second transition in between to give you guys enough time to transition from each exercise. Now, if you're just getting started, I'm gonna recommend you working on each exercise for 15 to 20 seconds at a time. And if you're brave enough and you're up for the challenge, you're gonna work on this for 60 seconds at a time. This is going to get challenging. Let's get started. So we're going to be starting off with our hollow tucks. Here I want you to focus on keeping your shoulder blades off the ground, knees and feet together, chin tucked, trying to shorten the distance from your ribs to your hips. And we're going to pulse our straight arms up and down from the ground. I really want you to focus on your breathing here. This is going to help warm our core up and get us ready for the rest of the exercises. Option 2 will be done with your feet supported on the ground. Next, we're going to go into the side plank position. So notice that the top leg will be positioned out towards the front. Using your elbow to actively push away from the ground, work on keeping your entire body aligned. Now, the key here is to not allow your hips and your shoulders to tilt forward or backward. We will work for 1 minute on one side and then switch to the other. Option 2 will be done from your knees with your hips and your knees slightly flexed. Moving on to the front plank. Here we're going to focus on keeping a nice straight line with our entire body from your head to your toes. Neck will be neutral, glutes and abs will be tight, focusing on pushing your forearms away from the ground. Option 2 will be done from your hands instead of your forearms. we'll work on is the bird dog. In a quadruped position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips, you will raise the opposite arm and leg simultaneously while keeping your pelvis level. I like to imagine punching my fist forward with my thumbs up and leading with my heel on the back leg to help with this. Option 2 will be done with you only moving the upper body or only moving the lower body. Guys, there you have it, my 5-minute core routine for beginners. If you like this video and you want an advanced version of this routine, go ahead and write the word advanced right below in the comment section, and I will make a video just for you. As always, to support me, hit the like and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.